So my name is Chris Kendrick. I'm a sand cleaner here at Hoosier Pattern.
My name is Ethan Garner. At Hoosier Pattern, I'm a sand cleaner.
My name is Stacy Keene. I am in packing.
My name is Shonda Ellis. My position here at Hoosier Pattern is the sand room team lead.
We start off just cleaning with our hands. Get as much as you can off with your hands first. Then we have wires and brushes and some little plastic tools, anything that will help work sand out of smaller areas. Then we use the air to blow everything off at the end. The shot shower is amazing. It cuts time down so much. As long as you knock out a path so that it can get through everywhere, it just runs through in about a minute. Any part, about a minute. It's great. Everything, as soon as it gets cleaned, we usually send it to the auditors.
Just going through the part, making sure that there's no scratches or gouges, any weird print lines, anything that may cause a bad casting. So we're checking for all of those things, making sure that it's top quality for us.
A typical day is usually going through everything that needs to be delivered, making sure it is packed. And then we go through and make sure whatever else needs to go for the day is also packed. So our typical packing is foam and bubble wrap. We have crates that we can extend taller, and we also ask for custom crates as well.
We cut foam to pack our crates for our parts to keep them secured. We use that to just make sure the parts don't knock into one another and chip the parts because they are very fragile parts. They're pretty firm when you hold them, but one small movement can knock something loose or something that you might not realize is really important to the casting.
All of our parts have a quality chart on them. Everybody that works in the sand room has their own spot on that chart that's used to mark for who cleaned it, and then also the auditors can mark that they audited it. Those can be traced back if there's any issues beyond us. It can be traced back to see who cleaned it, who checked it before it went out, and then the job box number links it back to the printer that it was printed on.
Anybody that wants a job here has to be interested in a lifelong job. To me, that's what this job means. It's someplace that you stay.
It's a pretty good place to work. Like, everybody gets along. They're really understanding if you have some family emergency or something going on.
I chose to work at Hoosier Pattern because of flexibility, but also when you need help, you've got other people to be there to assist you.
Hoosier Pattern's definitely very close-knit family, not just per department, but the whole group of us. It's the first place that I've ever worked at where you're so close with everybody, and it's a great environment.